Namaste everyone. Today we will discuss the Sapta Sadhanas of Kiran Sanhita. They are Kriyas, Asanas, Mudras, Pratyahara, Pranayam, Dhyana and Samadhi. We had already discussed about Shat Karmas of Kriya for cleaning in our previous videos. So today we will start with Asanas. Asanas gives dridhata or strength. In asanas and postures, there are 84 lakh asanas described by Lord Shiva. The postures are as many in the numbers of species of living creatures in the universe. Among them, 84 are the best, and among these, 32 have been found useful for mankind in this world. Here, all the 25 asanas are listed. The very first asana, namely Siddha Asana, is which opens the door of realization. Padmasan, Bhadrasan, Simhasan and Matsasana, all these destroy all sort of diseases. The third chapter or the third limb of the Kiran Sanhita is dedicated to 25 mudras and bandhas that are locks, which are crucial for awakening energy and securing body stability. All the 25 mudras are listed here, and the primary objective of these 25 mudras is to provide stability, that is sthirata. Out of 25 mudras, 16 are hand gestures and yoga gestures, that is mudras in asanas, and 4 are bandhas. They are Mool Bandha, that is pelvic lock, Uddiyana Bandha, that is abdominal lock, Jalandhar Bandha, chin lock, and Mahabandha, when Mool Bandha, Uddiyana Bandha, and Jalandhar are done collectively. Here, during Jalandhar Bandha, we inhale and then apply the lock, while in abdominal and pelvic lock, we exhale and then apply the lock. With these 16 mudras and 4 bandhas, there are 5 dharanas, which Maharishi Gharan had described 5 concentration practices. These dharanas are advanced practices and require some knowledge of the use of mantras and yantras. These 5 dharanas are the Panchbhutas, which help to focus and lock the pranas and awareness on a specific point or quality using psychic rather than physical tools. These are Prithvi, that is Parthvi Dharana, concentration on earth element, Jal Ambasya Dharana, on water element, Agniya, that is for fire element, Vayu, that is for air, Vaniya element, Akashi Dharana for the space element. Here we chant the mantras of the elements and visualize its yantra, which manipulate the subtle energy in our pranamaya and manamaya kosh and thus helps in awakening of kundalini. Next up is pratyahara, which is fourth limb in the sapta sadhana. Pratyahara is a fundamental concept in yogic philosophy that refers to the withdrawal or mastery of the senses and thus helps in the steadiness, that is dharyata. Fifth limb is pranayama. Maharishi Gharan has described pranayama as kumbhakas, that is breath retention, and these kumbhakas has been described and classified into 8 types as Ashta Kumbhakas. They are Sahit, Suryabhedi, Ujjayi, Shitali, Bhastrika, Brahmari, Murcha and Kevali. These pranayamas, kumbhakas, focus on lagima, that is lightness in the body. The sixth limb of the system designed to bring about inner perception, that is prataksha, is dhyana, meditation. Maharishi Gharan outlines 3 distinct forms of dhyana. These are Sthula Dhyana, Jyotirmaya Dhyana and Sukshma Dhyana. Each offer unique benefits for practitioners at different stages of their journey. In this, Sthula Dhyana is designed for the beginners, and this is the meditation on the external physical object or on its image in Chitta, our consciousness. Sthula Dhyana is also an awareness of one's body. The second dhyana is more internal and subtle stage. Here the practitioner focuses on the light of the Brahman, that is absolute, represented by a flame. The focus is directed towards the Muladhara chakra, that is root chakra, or the Ajna chakra, space between the eyebrows. The third type of dhyana is Sukshma dhyana. This is the highest form of meditation and the most subtle and profound. Here the practitioner concentrates on the awakening and upward movement of the Kundalini energy. Samadhi, the seventh and final stage of Ghatastha Yoga of 7 limbs. It is defined as the union of individual soul with the Supreme Soul. And here samadhis are of 6 types, namely Dhyan Yog Samadhi, Nath Yog Samadhi, Rasa Yog Samadhi, Lay Yog Samadhi, Bhakti Yog Samadhi, and Raj Yog Samadhi, which is often termed as Mano Murcha Samadhi. Thus Samadhi designed a path of Nirliptam for the practitioners. That's a wrap on the 7 limbs of Sapt Sadhanas. Stay tuned for more yoga insights. Thank you for joining.